Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 24K. Hey, just in case you are new here, I'm going to do a video that is way long overdue. I was supposed to do this video a while ago. Well, at least I wanted to do the video a while ago, and I'm just getting around to doing it. But I just wanted to make sure that I wore the hair and I could get my thoughts all the way together for the video, because I know a lot of you guys, when you're looking for raw hair, you want a good, thorough video. So let's get into it. So the last time I did a review on this hair was in 2018. It was my 2-month update. So it's been way over a year since I came back and did an update on this hair. So I thought it was about time to do it. And I think a couple people asked about it. So here I am. So again, this is the Yummy Extensions Lao hair. All the bundles that I have in my hair are 24 inches. I don't remember how many bundles. I remember I did have to buy an extra one, and I did talk about that down in the this 2-month update that I did on this hair. It will be down in the description box, so please open that up. There's a lot of information there, and then there's another video in there that I did on unboxing this hair, so you get to see what it looked like out the package. I have been wearing raw hair for about 9 years, and raw hair just always naturally has like what people will call frizzy look to it as you wear it and you train it to do what you want to do. Like if you're curling it or straightening it, it will fall in order, and that's what this hair did. This hair holds a curl really well. Let me show you how far it goes. So this is 24 inches, and this is how far the hair goes on me, and the hair is curled, so keep that in mind. 24 inches is the longest I've ever had my hair, so I don't think I'm gonna go this long anymore. I actually got these inches because I was in a rush and I really needed to get my hair done, and it's all they had, so that's what I picked up. But I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I love the hair, but I do think I will be going back to my 22 inches, or, you know, staggering the lengths, you know, to make it look more layered. But I did get someone to layer the hair and color the hair. I'll get into that later on in the video. I get compliments on this hair all the time. When it's in its natural state, when I curl it, when I straighten it out, people just love this hair. It's very beautiful. As far as the texture, I would say it's somewhere in between Cambodian and Malaysian hair. They're, you know, both raw, but raw Cambodian and raw Malaysian, I would say it's somewhere in that category. I love the hair. It's very beautiful. It's easy to maintain. Like I said, I've been using raw hair for about 9 years, so I know how to work with raw hair. For me, less is best when it comes to products. Some people love products in their hair, especially if it's like Burmese hair or curly hair. Products do help, you know, maintain the curl pattern. But this hair is somewhere like, it was like a slight wave. It was more on the straight natural wave side than it was like a wavy side, if you get what I'm saying. I just love how it keeps a curl for so long. Like, I love it. It's perfect. So if I'm wearing this wig every day for a week, I'm never going to have to curl my hair. Maybe I'll have to curl my hair at the end of the week because, you know, there'll be like straight ones, you know, especially sleeping on it. But I mean, for me, the longer the curls have been in the hair, the better the hair looks. So I'm not complaining. In the last video that I did in regards to this hair, I remember discussing with you guys about the dye situation. So when I bought the hair, one of the bundles was really black, and I planned on making my wig by myself. So I've done it many times. I've bought dye and just dyed it black. It's easier to dye something black than it is to lift it and stuff like that. That's if you're not a cosmetologist, or you just, you know, don't have it like that. I don't have it like that. I don't know. I'm not a cosmetologist, but I can dye something black, definitely. So I've done this many times. The brand that I usually use was not at the particular store that I went to, and I was tired, so I just picked up something, which was the Beijing. I know Beijing from back in the day. I remember my mom used to use it, and I just thought it was a good dye. And when I did it, I had some issues. Like I said, check out my 2-month update, and I'll go into detail what happened and what I did to correct it. But I was just kind of curious after I did the video. I did a couple YouTube searches and quickly found that a few other people have had some issues with the dye, not just on their extensions, but their natural hair. And raw hair is natural hair. It comes from an actual person. You know, sometimes, and like Beijing's been around for a long time, and I'm not trying to bash the company or anything like that. I just really wanted you guys to know, because I did state that in my last video, and this is an update. Sometimes some companies, they change the formula, because I remember Beijing, people used to use Beijing a lot. I mean, I remember my mom used to use it all the time on her real hair. So as time goes by, sometimes companies choose to change formulas, and sometimes, you know, that's what happens. But I would say I wouldn't recommend Beijing on your natural hair or on your extensions because of the issue that I had with it. And like I said, that will be in that video that's in the description box. So I just want to reiterate, it was not the hair, because obviously this hair is slapping. So it's obviously not the hair, it's the dye that I used. But I did rectify that situation by boiling the hair. But like I said, just check out that video. So everything that I stated that I used in that last video, I'm still using. And all that is to maintain the hair, to make sure it's not dry, and to make sure that the hair stays nice and healthy, you know. I think raw hair is supposed to last you for anywhere for 3 to 5 years if you really take good care of it. And I have hair that I've had in my possession for 5 years, and it's just now getting kind of like thin and straggly. So if you take care of it, it will take care of you. When I curl this hair, I curl it at 320 to 340 degrees with my curling iron. I use 2 curling irons to curl this hair. I usually use a smaller one in the front and then the bigger ones in the back, and sporadically, you know, it just makes the curls, you know, more voluminous, and it makes the curls pop more. But I usually keep it at 320 or 340 degrees. Anything higher than that, you know, you get the burnt hair, and this is natural hair. So the same way natural hair can burn, this is the same way your raw hair will burn, and you pay too much money for your raw hair for it to burn. Even with heat protectant, I have that issue. So I just keep it at 320, 340, and I've been able to maintain these curls for almost 3 weeks. Overall, would I recommend this hair? I definitely would recommend this hair. I love the hair. I have not had any problems with the hair past, you know, my little episode I had with me buying the wrong dye for the hair, but I just thank God I was able to get the dye out of the hair, because I would have been highly upset. But yeah, so the hair is still going on strong. I don't have any issues with the hair. I get compliments on the hair all the time, all the time. People love the hair. I think a lot of it has to do with the color, and it colored very well. I just want to do something different. Every other time I've worn raw hair, it's been in its natural form, or I dye it black. So it was kind of fun. I wanted to change things up and do something a little different, and I'm totally happy with what I got. I'm very happy with the person who did my wig and did my color. So if you are interested in this hair, I definitely recommend this texture. I've never tried any of their other textures, so I am only specifically speaking on the Lao texture. But I would recommend that you wait for a sale, especially now that the holidays are coming in. There's going to be a sale. Most raw extension companies do a sale, just like any other hair company will do a sale on the holidays, and you know, Black Friday and Christmas and Thanksgiving and all that jazz. So that's just my opinion. But if you got like that, girl, do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. Yeah, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was very informative. If you have any other questions regarding this hair that is not down the description box or in any of my other 2 videos, please do me a favor. Leave that down in the comment section. That way we can help each other out and other people can get their questions answered as well. I really love you guys, and I really appreciate all your support. I've seen you guys subscribing to my channel, and I just want to really thank you guys, and I really want you to know that I really do appreciate you subscribing to my channel. So as always, I love you guys, and stay blessed. Bye. Yeah, the last time I reviewed this video, okay, last time. Now it's the raw yummy Lao. Every time I've worn yeah, my hair, she did my wig, and she did the color. Yeah, so that, yeah, every time I wore this is the yeah, so I do, yeah, so I did, yeah, my name is 24K. Hey, just in case you're new here, and if you are not, welcome family, welcome back to the family. She loving the likes,
She living a life, yeah. She Instagram famous. You know that it's dangerous. Baby, you famous. Instagram famous. Body on 10, your body on 10. Shawty, you banging, oh yeah. We gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, okay. We gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, okay. Loving the likes.